It's raining. It's already raining. It's already raining, guys. You know, there's a typhoon tomorrow. So expected today, the rain will come. My setup in my garden is ruined. So let's continue. Thank you, Gorilla. Thank you, Osichi. Noted. You're noted. Of course, I do. So let's continue. I'll continue my work, then I'll continue giving music to you. You know, guys, I and my daughter were running, uh, getting the laundry. I think it was just 1 minute. We evacuate from the